Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to the world of computer technology. Today, I'm breaking down the essentials for you. Computers come in various types. You've got your desktops, laptops, tablets, and servers. Each serves a different purpose but shares common components. Let's start with hardware. Hardware is any physical component you can touch. Your CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of the computer. Then there's RAM, random access memory, which is your system's short-term memory. Don't forget about the hard drive, or SSD, where all your data is stored. And of course the motherboard, which connects everything together. Now, onto software. Software is the instructions that tell your hardware what to do. This includes your operating system like Windows or macOS, and applications like web browsers, games, and word processors. Speaking of operating systems, ever wondered how to find your system information? It's super easy. On Windows, just hit the Windows key, type System Information, and boom, you get details about your hardware and software. For Mac users, click on the Apple menu, select About This Mac, and voila! Everything you need to know right at your fingertips. So, whether you're a coder, a gamer, or just someone who loves tech, understanding these basics is crucial. Dive in, explore, and stay curious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you found this helpful. Until next time, keep computing.